2018 Genesis G80 Review. The 2018 Genesis G80 lands in the top third of our luxury midsize cars thanks to its luxurious interior, generous list of standard features, and balanced performance. However, its fuel economy estimates don't measure up against top rivals. New for 2018. New 3.3T Sport model. Pros and cons. Upscale interior. Long list of standard features. Below class average starting price. Poor fuel economy. The 2018 Genesis G80 has 3 engines to choose from, including a powerful V8. It has a comfortable ride, and the new Sport model increases its athleticism. However, fuel estimates are low for the class. The G80 comes standard with a 311 horsepower 3.8-liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. A 365 horsepower, twin turbocharged 3.3-liter V6 and a 420 horsepower 5.0-liter V8 are available. Each engine provides plenty of power for everyday driving and highway passing, but the V8 is the most dynamic. Acceleration off the line is strong, and the 8-speed automatic has smooth shifts. The 2018 G80 gets between 16–19 miles per gallon in the city and 2,427 miles per gallon on the highway, depending on the model. These numbers are low for the class. The 2018 Genesis G80 is full of soft-touch materials and has a stylish design. It has luxurious finishes with high-quality leather upholstery and wood and available carbon fiber trim. The G80's seats are comfortable and spacious, and the infotainment system is a breeze to operate. Cargo space is above average for the class, but the lack of a split-folding rear seat limits cargo carrying versatility. The 2018 G80 seats 5 on standard leather upholstery. Other standard features include heated front seats and a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob. Available features include a 16-way power-adjustable driver's seat, front sport seats, a sport steering wheel, premium leather upholstery, heated rear seats, ventilated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. The G80 provides good outward visibility and comfortable seats. The front and rear seats have plenty of legroom, even for taller passengers. However, headroom in the back is somewhat cramped. For installing child safety seats, there are 2 complete sets of latch connectors in the rear outboard seats and a tether anchor in the middle seat. The top tethers are easy to access and connect, but the lower anchors can be difficult to find. Standard advanced safety features in the G80 include a rear-view camera, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane change assist, and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. Proximity entry, Bluetooth, satellite radio, 2 USB ports, HD radio, a 7-speaker sound system, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, a 4.3-inch driver information display, navigation, an 8-inch touchscreen, a push-button start, and real-time traffic, weather, fuel prices, and movie and sports information are also standard. Available features include a multi-angle camera, front and rear park assist, adaptive LED headlights, a panoramic sunroof, alloy sport pedals, a wireless charging pad, a 17-speaker sound system, a 9.2-inch touchscreen, a 7-inch driver information display, and a head-up display. The G80's infotainment system is easy to use, with intuitive menus and an organized layout. The touchscreen is responsive, and there are physical knobs and buttons to control system functions as well. Additionally, Frequently used controls are easy to access and not buried within the system's menus. The G80 has 15.3 cubic feet of trunk space, which is slightly above average for the class. Unlike many class competitors, the G80's rear seats don't fold down, making it difficult to haul longer items. A hands-free trunk, which opens when you stand behind the car with the key on you, is standard. A power trunk lid is optional.